Today I'm going to explain how depth first search works on graphs. Depth first search, or DFS as it's commonly called, prioritizes going deep vertically first, which is why I jokingly call it deep fetish search. Just make sure you don't write that on any test. DFS uses a stack data structure. Now let's look at a graph example. We want to discover all nodes reachable from our root node A. Along the way, we'll track two things. Light blue means the node has been visited, and orange means the node is in the stack, waiting to be processed. Starting the algorithm, we visit node A first. You can see our stack in the top left corner. We pop A from the stack and mark it as visited. Then we add A's two reachable children, B and C, to the stack. Next, we pop the top element of the stack, which is B. We then add any child nodes reachable from B to the stack. Now the top element of our stack is D, so we pop D. Since D has no child nodes, there's nothing to add to the stack. Now I'll play the animation from beginning to end. There's no voiceover, so watch carefully to see how the algorithm works. And there you have it. That's DFS in action. Exploring deep before going wide, using a simple stack to keep track of what to visit next. Thank you for watching.